Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to transpose a matrix in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to do some matrix manipulations and you need to transpose your matrix to be able to do that. So I'll be showing you how to transpose a matrix in Mathematica today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to type in my matrix. Okay, so I've typed in my 3 by 3 matrix and now I'm going to give it a transpose. Now I'm going to assign my transpose matrix to the variable AT, and all you're going to do is type transpose and click that option that says transpose and then put 2 square brackets and the matrix that you want to transpose, which is matrix A. And if I run this, as you can see, I get back a transpose of my matrix A over here with 1, 4, 7 as the first row, and so on. And there you have it. If you wanted to know how to transpose a matrix in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.